I have 3 more examples of some and statements, and we'll go through these 3 just a little bit quicker. So feel free to pause at any time. Feel free to please pause it before I even go through a problem and see if you can do it on your own, and then check your solution. So on this problem, feel free to pause it right now, see if you can do it yourself. On this one, we get rid of the plus 6 first. So we minus 6 on all 3 parts. First step. Negative 16 is less than 2x less than negative 2. Divide by a positive 2, so we're not flipping any signs. I get negative 8 less than x less than negative 1. So we're going to have negative 8 and negative 1 on our number lines. It says greater than negative 8, so I'm going to shade to the right, greater than negative 8. This one says x is less than negative 1. So I'm going to have an open dot. Well, let me go ahead and change pen colors here. Open dot, and I'd be shading this way, less than. Where are they both shaded? Well, they're both shaded right here in the middle again. So we'll go ahead and create our number line real quick. This will be my final solution. I would say that they have open dots on negative 8 and negative 1, and it is the shading in between those two that is the solution set. Next example, we're going to get rid of the minus 4 by adding 4 to all 3 parts. Again, feel free to pause this. You can try it on your own. Divide by 5, divide by a positive 5. Again, no flipping of the signs, just keep everything the same. Here's our number line, negative 3 and 2. Well, the first one says x is greater than negative 3, so greater than negative 3 is this direction. And the second one says less than 2. So we brought out the Christmas colors, even though it's not the Christmas holiday for me right now. Alright, so in between is where the solution set is. And I have negative 3 and 2. I'm going to have open dots on both of those, and the final solution would be the answer between them. Now, feel free to not have to graph all 3 of those each time. It is helpful, especially when we get to some of the special cases, but we're not going to see any of those today. I have one more example, so I'm going to go ahead and do this one. This one just simply subtracts 2 everywhere. So we've got 2 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 6. Number line. On this one, I think I'll just go ahead and make one graph. Let's see if we can do this in one graph. So it says x has to be greater than or equal to, colored in dot, 2. So greater than 2 is shading this direction. But I have to be careful because it says less than or equal to 6. So while I'm greater than 2, I still have to be less than 6. So it is only going to be shaded in the middle. And that is it for and statements.